Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have thoroughly enjoyed feeding the birds this year. It's my first time doing it and I couldn't have done it without this Hanizi Bird Feeder. What I love about this is it's a large capacity, which makes it super easy to fill, easy to clean, and you can fit lots of different mixtures and varieties because the openings at the bottom are very wide, so you can put smaller seed in there, larger seed in there, it doesn't matter. It also has an inclined roof. This is really nice because it prevents your seed from getting wet, and I can attest to that because we've had lots of rainy days and the seed is perfect. This comes in multiple colors. I chose the brown, I really like it. Most importantly, the birds seem to be a big fan. They come and visit it multiple times a day. So if you want to attract the wild birds in your area, this is a great way to do it. And that's my point of view.